Testing business ideas is what we do here, and this time I'm making magnifying glass with wooden frame. Let's jump in.
We have ignition.
I am teaming up with Babnik Optics. For them, I'm going to make custom wooden magnifying glasses. If prototypes are good enough, they will try to sell them. To speed up the process, I'll be using design thinking template as usual. This idea is pretty simple, so I will do different designs. Time to put my imagination into sketches. I bought material and it's time to get these hands dirty. Hit the montage. Total material cost was 17 euros and it took me around 3 hours to make one magnifying glass. The company will try to sell them and I will let you know when that happens. Everybody, thank you for watching. Thumbs if you liked it, subs if you loved it, and I will see you in the next one.